trip, guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I thought you said to have fun. Since we'll be in this car for the next 15 hours, let's make some productive use of our time.
And every time it rains, hands from heaven.
We are gonna own this concert. Nothing can stop us now.
You jerks robbed me blind. I must have had a couple of bucks in my change holder, and now there's just a few stray coins. You just leave two behind and old Eggman wouldn't notice. Well, I noticed, bucko.
Slow your roll, cue ball. We didn't take anything.
I'm the I could just be hitting my. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your.
I could have bought something off Mad Burger's Just a Buck menu with that money, like a half handful of fries or a thimble of chili.
Watch your jet.
You okay there, Bolts? Status report.
Well, I made it in one piece. Roughly.
Nothing like a lazy Sunday morning. Got a cup of tea, a stack of yacht rock albums on vinyl, and a brand new loofah just waiting to be made unreturnable. Now all I need is my morning paper.
We worked all morning on this bountiful feast, but it was a labor of love.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, hold it right there. You ain't saying no weird cuss words in my submission. Like, seriously. What the f—
And it makes a sweet hat, too!
Give me that.
I think I'm finally hitting my growth spurt!
Hang on, Cubot. I'll get you down.
Just wait till they see me sporting these babies during Fashion Week. I told you half-wits not to touch—
Hands from heaven.
Minions, get me that gravity ray! Yeah, for Pete's sake. Not the pneumatic tube system!
Dude, would you move out of the freaking way? I'm trying to get out. No, the ball is stuck on there. Okay, I see that. Does it look like I'm dumb? Does it look like I have blind eyes and it feels like I have to go to the doctors to get an eye implant?
While I'm loath to call a halt to this very important dialogue, I'd be remiss if I didn't point out aliens are abducting our towels!
What?
Hello, sir. Would you care for a car wash while you dine? It's all so clear now, as if I'm seeing the world from a new perspective.
Gee, imagine that.
We should all float freely. You're free now, free to express yourself. No! I can feel gravity's sticky hands all over me!
Glad that's over. I'll never be swayed by charismatic charlatans offering vague promises of a better future again.
Can I interest you in an exclusive timeshare opportunity?
Sign me up! Great job up there, Tails.
I learned from the best. TV.
Oh, cruel fate! Sending me back to my mundane, low-altitude existence!
Cubot, have your diagnostics returned to operational capacity?
No, but I'm working just fine.
He's back to normal.
Hey, something isn't right. Anyone else feeling a little heavy? Well, I did eat an entire extra-large Pizza Lover's pizza this afternoon. That's a pizza with the little pizzas on top.
I'm with Sonic. Something ain't kosher here.
I don't think you switched off the anti-gravity ray. I think you put it in reverse.